who's running after him.
Bro, it's a wrap!
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. I am having a clear out of my watch later playlist, so if you have a look at the description below, that is where I've dumped everything. I have been meaning to catch up on some SB19 related stuff, some short little bitty stuff, and this is where I'm going to put it. I'm looking forward to this. I'm starting off with a somewhat recent Ken live. I think that he went live to apologise because he was having technical difficulties with PUBG, is that correct? But whatever it is, I'm sure that he's going to chit chat with us and he's going to look utterly gorgeous. And would you like to watch this variety box with me?
Guys, hello.
Get in front of the camera, boy.
Hello guys. Kanina sa mga nanood ng live ko kanina. Sorry pala kasi biglang nagkaroon ng difficulties bigla siyang nag-off, di ko alam, tapos tinatry namin i-connect sa TikTok kanina. Seems like hindi siya ma-connect. So ayun, nahirapan kami. We tried OBS din na i-connect din sa OBS, but hindi rin siya ma-connect sa TikTok. So we tried na sa Facebook mag-live, pero the problem is yung audio naman yung problem. So ayaw naman namin ng ganun. So possible na baka na lang i-move na lang muna namin yung game PUBG Live. So ayun, I'm so sorry na hindi natuloy. My bad. Bigla na lang siyang tag dito.
Probably some stupid
Bigla
update.
may nag-pop sa screen na hindi daw kinakapture ng something yung game. So ayun.
He hasn't done this in a while.
Ayun. Yun lang naman gusto kong sabihin. So we might move the PUBG Live. So bad kasi excited ako maglaro kanina.
Oh.
Pamain sa sapatos. Selos kami. Mag-download kasi kayo. Tapos para mapaglaro tayo.
He looks great in white. I think it's his skin tone. Like when he wears color, any different color, he suddenly takes on a different shape because it like reflects off that skin.
Kumain ka? Hindi pa. Mamaya hindi pa naman ako nagutom eh. Kayo, kumain na kayo. Kain na kayo. Sige. Gusto next hair color. Di ko pa sure kung ano yung hair color kasi damage na yung buhok ko, so papahinga ko muna yung buhok ko. Di muna ako mag-color ng buhok.
Keep it black. I like it. Just wondering if he's reading the comments or if he's just spaced out. I love it.
Saan siya? Yeah. Kakain ako maya-maya.
18, always so worried about him.
Solid kahapon. Oo, solid. Daming tao kahapon. Tsaka yung cheers. Grabe. Sobrang lakas. Nakaka-hype talaga. Tsaka yung mga artists na nag-perform kahapon. Those guys are so, sobrang famous and madaming hit songs. So, we're honored na maka-perform and you know, good evening. Good evening. Ano ulam mo? Chicken. Chicken din
Of
ulam
course
ko.
it's chicken.
So, initin ko na lang. Ano perfume mo?
It's the same
Madami ako
question every
perfume.
time.
Kahit ano lang, depende sa suot. Kasama mo ba
It
si
changes
Justin?
scent depending
Hindi ko
on his
kasama si Justin.
outfit.
Nasa bahay ako. A buzz cut? Not sure.
I think grow it long, like long.
Sorry.
When mag-release ulit ng SPS? Di ko pa sure.
Released and sold out.
Pero, ayun, dami akong plans for SPS, so, ano na lang, bantay-bantay na lang. Yun lang.
I hope so.
I'm good. Kamusta din kayo? Salamat sa panonood
I didn't even try to get that leather
I
jacket.
currently have,
It was impossible.
0.1k viewers. Magpapalong haircut yun. Yeah, I'm trying to, gusto kong umaba yung buhok. Gusto kong umaba yung buhok ko. Pero ang iinit talaga. Parang, tingnan ko.
Poor pal.
Ano? Hindi mo na makakapaglaro ngayon kasi may ano din ako, may gagawin din ako maya-maya.
Value, I said I will refer to the whichever Sunday and birthday of prayer for patrons.
Sige, tulog na kayo kung may pasok pa kayo bukas. Mag-sleep na kayo. Bagay sa'yo yung manban. Legit. Yeah. Siguro. Hindi ko in-expect na gustuhan niya ng manban ako.
Oh my god, why?
Sabi kasi niya, sabi ng stylist namin, magmanban ka na kasi ang haba na ng buhok mo. So, ayun. I didn't think na gustuhan niya rin.
We love it. I just want him to grow it long and then plait it.
Excited na Japan. Ako din, sobra excited na mag-ano.
I can't wait to see them out and about in Japan. Together.
Dubai din, of course. Excited na ulit mag-tour.
If things had gone ahead
Headband.
as planned, they probably would have done the homecoming like what, at Christmas, wouldn't they?
So, ayun talaga kanina. Excited pa naman ako gamitin yung Sparks Family na skin. That's sad. Pero madami pa naman time na kapaglaro. Kaya ayun, mag-download kayo. Try nyo mag-download para makalaro kayo. Ano yung sound ng chair?
Literally the creaking of the chair. I want to know what the hooks on the wall are for. Like, what are they for? Did he have something up there that he took off? What was he displaying up there? Because this is his whole, like, display area, isn't it?
Faces mo. Salamat, maraming salamat. Of course, mga, alam mo yun, mga big producers yung kawork ko nun. Si Sir Yukshin, tsaka si Shanbo. Those guys are, Grammy nominated. And producers ni Justin Bieber, nagpasikat. Sikat na producer, so, expected na ganun yung type ng kanta, and I was so happy na magkaroon ng ganung klase ng kanta.
Good.
It's the kind of song that I really, enjoyed listening to. And, of course, I'm grateful and thankful na magkaroon ng opportunity na makatrabaho yung mga ganong klase ng tao. Kasi hindi lahat ng artista mabibigyan ng ganong opportunity na maka-work yung ganong caliber ng producers. And the sound, the production is just top notch. Sobrang so super fast mag-work talaga. So the time na gano'n lang kami, nung time na nag-record lang kami, tapos I was amazed by how fast they worked.
They just get into a swing of it, don't they?
Saka sulat yung lyrics, the melody, tapos pinractice ko agad. Tapos right after that, kinabukasan na record namin. So, super fun. Sobrang memorable na experience para sa akin. Maganda.
And then 18 received it really well as well.
Ang bilis ng comment side lang.
I swear TikTok should have like a ask me a question section. Like IG Live does that. And then the artist just gets to like scroll through and have a look at what question they want to answer. But then they also see the comments as well. That TikTok should just do that.
Hello sa 8.1k na nanonood. Hello po sa inyo lahat. So, hindi ako makapag-live ng mahaba ngayon kasi may pa ako. May schedule pa ako. So, may something lang. May interview. So, yeah.
An interview? What interview? Has it come to light yet?
Yeah. Papahinga. Kayo din, pahinga din kayo. Kung may mga pasok kayo, you need to sleep maaga. Thank you sa time. Yes, of course. Thank you din sa time sa panonood. Although it's unfortunate na gano'n nangyari, may technical difficulties sa part ko. Hindi natuloy yung PUBG Live. It's sad. Pero, ayun. Next time na lang. Next time. Pwede pa naman mamove. Scar? May scar ba ako sa braso? Hindi scar sa braso yan. Sa to? Sa tag dito? Parang cream kanina nung pumunta ako ng na siguro tumulo dito yung parang sa nung nagpa-facial ako kanina. Yung cream siguro to kanina. Ano bang tinutukoy mo? Yung yung sa yung pag-baby ka pa nila ginaganyan ka. Ano ba yun?
ACG?
Parang injection yung pag-baby ka pa. Ito ata yan eh. Tsaka yung isa hindi yan ano yan sa chickenpox yan. Bakuna pala. Kalimot ko.
I wonder if he'll get more tattoos, like on that arm, if in the end it'll end up like a sleeve.
Kailan ko pagupit? Pag may time, natin ako papagupit. Let's see. Masakit ba magpatato? Depende sa part ng katawan mo na gusto mong tatuan. Pero definitely yung ribs masakit. And sa mga part na maninipis yung balat. For example, yung fingers ko, sakit siya. Sa sobra. Tsaka yung parang dikit na dikit sa buto, yung mabuto na part, yun masasakit yun na part. Pero pag dito sa arms, no, hindi.
I'd love to see him getting one done. I know that that's not for everyone. But it's just really interesting. I just want to see how he deals with it.
Right, yeah. So, ba't dami nanonood? 9.7K.
Why not?
Salamat sa panonood, guys. Maraming salamat. Wala naman akong ginagawa.
That's what makes it more fun though.
Explain lang ako sa mga nangyari kasi hindi natuloy yung
I love the heart when it comes
I
and
saw you
kisses
guys
him.
yesterday sa mga So, hindi ka naman manominate sa Grammy. Let's pray for that. Sana, di ba?
One day.
Dami yata nag-birthday Puro birthday yung comments Happy birthday sa mga lahat ng nag-birthday. Hindi ko kayo maisa-isa kasi sobrang dami. Tsaka sa mga nagsasabi na pumasa sa exam or congratulations sa inyong lahat. Huwag kang magpagupit. Depende. Pag gusto ko pagupit, magpapagupit ako. Pag hindi, huwag muna.
To the point.
Ano yan sa laptop? Parang umuulan off ko lang yung laptop.
That was his laptop.
Do you mind? Anong oras na? By 9:20 kailangan ko na mag-out. Okay? 4 minutes na lang. Okay, mention about it as pay some jacket. Let's see. Tingnan. Coachella SB19. Hopefully,
Look at his face. They would definitely get the crowd going.
Napaka magandang yun. Magandang hindi namin malilimutan pag napag-perform kami sa mga ganong klase na stage. That's crazy. Pag-pray natin yan na bibigay ni God yan. Yung mga ganon. What?
May sinunod ako.
Later. Ha? Kailangan what? Wait lang.
Oh, you're using up our 4 minutes.
And of course, di ko pala munti ko na makalimutan. Shoutout pala sa lahat ng lahat ng CCU squad, lahat ng 18 na tumambay sa CCU Corp. Mga tumatambay dyan sa CCU Corp. Maraming salamat. Napaka-dedicated niya talaga palagi. And of course, kay Lori, you know, sa for rallying the CCOs, tsaka kay Moderna, Modsai, kay Mod L or MOD for guiding our CCOs. Maraming salamat po sa pagtulong sa kanila kung paano sila makasali sa sa live, sa open room, sa open CG para makapasok sila. Thank you for giving your spending time para i-guide sila tsaka turuan sila kung paano para makapaglaro. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
That's sweet. For a minute, I
Huwag
was
ka
like,
po
I have
alis.
no
I'm
idea
sorry,
what
pero
he's
kailangan
talking
ko umalis.
about.
1 minute na lang. Meron pa akong schedule ngayon. So,
That's a late
kailangan ko
schedule.
umalis. 1 minute. Magbababay na ako. More success. Yes, maraming salamat. Pag-pray natin yan. More success talaga. Tsaka especially sa inyo din. More success sa inyo, sa family nyo. And whoever na, kahit sa lahat ng tao, success talaga. More success sa lahat ng tao. World peace, world peace, world peace, world peace. No, prosperity sa lahat ng nations. World peace. God bless us. God bless us all. Yeah. Alright, 9:20 na. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye. 10.9k viewers.
Nice.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Maraming salamat. Bye. Ingat kayo lahat. I'll see you soon. I'll see you soon.
I hope that he does like a proper live soon. I really miss them. I was thinking the other day that it's so fun to just sit him, like do whatever, listen to music with him humming along, telling us stories. I think he's the kind of guy that needs a little bit more time. Like, obviously he felt a little rushed during this, but even then he managed to say a lot, talk to us a lot about various different things. But I think Ken does like to take his time with stuff. And so I quite like the pace of his lives as well. And especially when he's like slapping people back with comments and things. That's always really great fun. I look forward to when he's going to do a long one soon. On to the next video. I love that they are just such like prides of the nation. There's like so many people who like to see them off.
Dapat
There's
last year pa ito.
reporters.
So, nararamdaman namin
Look at Ken.
online, nakikita namin yung mga excitement ng mga fans sa Dubai. So, talagang very excited kami. And syempre, ayun nga po, parang matagal na, medyo natenga kami. So, ngayon ibabalik namin yung show. So, talagang first time ulit yung feeling.
Oo, parang kita naman talaga yung excitement sa inyo. No? Aga-aga nandito na kayo. But one last question, how does it feel? Because you guys have been there already. Like, ang tagal na yung tinabaho. And then now you guys are doing world tour. Ano lang pakiramdam sa inyo? Parang is this a surreal moment for all of you?
Pero sa totoo lang po, ako personally po, I love traveling.
And we like
na-enjoy ko po
traveling
yung
with
mga tours
you.
Talaga. Well, nakakapagod siya, to be honest. Tiring kasi lagi nagpo-perform. Pero kasi yung pinaghandaan namin dito before going abroad for the performance, nawawala yung pagod namin when we see our fans enjoying, na we feel nila yung home. Kasi I'm sure yung iba nating OFW na mga kababayan, gustong-gusto na nila umuwi dito, but wala silang time or kailangan nilang mag-work hard para makauwi dito. But for
You take
kagaya
home
na
to
artist
them.
na nagdadala ng show doon, parang nafe-feel nila yung home and nami-miss nila yung ganitong klaseng celebration. And for us, malaking bagay yun na nakikita sila na masaya kung nasa sila ngayon and nakakapagbigay kami ng entertainment for them.
Oh, you
yung
speak
ganitong
so
klaseng
well,
tour,
Stel.
hindi lang siya fulfilling for us but also parang milestone din siya sa amin for our team din, for our group. Kasi bibihira lang yung kagaya namin na nabibigyan ng ganitong opportunity. So, ginagrab namin and ginagawa namin yung best namin. Hindi lang sa mga fans, pati rin sa mga kababayan na sumusuporta sa
What are they giggling about right there? Pablo's clapping.
Very humble, very grateful. But
Yes,
one
thank
last
you po.
na lang, I think maybe invite your fans in Dubai dahil makikita nyo na sila. Go ahead.
So, ayun po. So, we are inviting all our kababayan in 18 po na kung wala po kayong time and gusto niyo po ng aliw and maging masaya, mag-enjoy, iniimbitahan po namin kayo sa pagtatag Dubai, SB19's Pagtatag Dubai. Sa agenda po yan, doon po namin gaganapin namin concert. And if you have time and kasama
Pablo
yung mga
looks
family,
so
friends,
cool.
kung sino man,
He looks
jowa,
like
pwede niyo pong isama
movie
man ulit po sa
director.
namin. Siguro din po namin worth it po ang gagastusin niyo para sa show namin. And yes, see you there and please share the good news and love. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
I just can't believe it. They're being followed around having like full-on interviews at the airport. This is hilarious. And they chose comfort, okay? Yes, they're naturally stylish, but they literally chose comfort going to the airport barefaced. And then cameras, microphone. This is all I could seem to find of this. Oh, he took it off! Yes! So would he have been invited to perform here? Because it's an album launch, right? Yes, definitely. I need to see the other view. I need to see that on his head. I can't wait till his hair is like long. I don't know if you're feeling it, but definitely like the Philippe of Complex has definitely been drawn to a close. I feel like that is now gone. We're moving into a different era. There's a change going on. There's a shift, and I'm really enjoying that. I can definitely see him collabing with Player 2 again.
Parang ko daw si Pablo. Kunyari hindi na-record. Hindi natin kung anong reaction niya. Kasi ito totoo na.
Oh no. This is so naughty. He's so excited too. What is this on the set of?
Magkukulit pa tayo.
Did you see that? The disappointment on his face. He didn't know what to say.
Ano, may walang na-record? May ano?
Oh, did you see that? Did you see those facial expressions?
Hindi na maulit yun. Totoo ba?
Pablo is not finding this funny.
Kaya tinatanong ko kung magtitik pa yan.
Can you imagine if it was really true that they had technical difficulties and they couldn't record it, and Pablo's like, no, we can't do it again. Never again to be re-recorded. Hey, they're ruining it.
It's a prank!
Give him a hug right now. This is so mean. He was so happy too.
Don't tell me it's wrong, 'cause it's not. I don't trust nobody, I put up these walls. They just wanna use me until I'm dried up. Fake faces come and go. Nothing's gonna save me. Feels like I'm finally going crazy. I'm out on the run. There's no use in escape.
Naragdagan na namin ng buwak. So we're ready para sa shoot namin ngayon. I'm really excited.
They gon' take all that you got. I got something that they want. Wide awake because these thoughts always keep me up.
Galingan ka na, first take lang.
Oh no.
Disappear without a trace. They a miss.
The poor cameraman.
Tried to give what they want.
I think it adds to the feel of it though, right?
This one-sided love is slowly killing me.
I love everything about this music video. It's just a shame we can't see that killer smile in it.
Body I put up these walls. They just wanna use me until I'm dried up. Fake faces come and go, and it goes back and forth, the same conversations.
This is the footage that we all wanted.
People want you just because you made it.
Oh, this is right. Let's go.
Back and forth, the same conversations. I'm so sick of these fake smiling faces. People want you just because you made it. So tired of it all. So don't tell me it's wrong, 'cause it's not. I don't trust nobody, I put up these walls. They just wanna use me until I'm
Oh my god, I love it so much. His physicality. The whole crew is running after him.
Bro, it's a wrap!
Do you know, the thing is, it's not enough for you to just turn up and do your day job and be like, yeah, this is what I want to do, this is what I'm employed to do. You have to be really invested. So all of the crew, every single person that was there on that day, pre-production, post-production, they were invested in ensuring that we got that end product, and it's an amazing end product. You know, it's not enough for Philip to have this talent. There are so many wonderful people that are behind him. His team is crazy. I loved everybody that was working on this. There was an atmosphere, an energy on set, and you know, it's really important for him to feel really comfortable, because we know that he's a little shy. He can be a little shy, and so it's really nice that he has these comfortable environments. Like the amount of smiles that we got in these 2 minutes, and to think it's not a smiley song, that is how comfortable he was feeling. That is how happy and content he was feeling on the set of this music video, and that makes me so happy.
Lucky me seafood shrimp, tungkol sa namin to. Ito na ang seafood ko. Seafood shrimp. Lucky me seafood shrimp, tungkol sa seafood shrimp. Lucky me seafood shrimp, tungkol sa malinamnam ang bawat higop mo. Kakaibang
I can't believe how much I have seen this advert.
Lucky me go cup, sarap talaga. Seafood go cup ng Lucky me, angat sarap so yummy. Ito na ang seafood go, go, i-try mo. Lucky me seafood shrimp, tungkol sa namin to.
Those really extra backing vocals.
Lucky me seafood shrimp,
I mean, that is a music video.
Lucky me go cup, i-try mo.
So much goes into this. They have to be like on top of their energy all day. It's not just like the moving ad that they were filming, it's all the still shots, all the promo, the stuff for their vlog. So much in this one day. And then didn't they go back and do a live after this as well for us? They look amazing in pink. The king's at work. They're so dependable. I thought I should at least try to watch this before the Pagtatag era ends.
May challenges, mahirap, pero parang mas fulfilling siya kapag, alam mo yun, pag may ginagawa kayo, mas fulfilling siya.
Tsaka syempre yung sisihan sa amin na lang. Nakakatuwa po kasi parang syempre bukod po sa kalayaan na pakiramdam, bukod sa freedom, sige, sabay tayo, one, go. Parang gusto mo ko Hindi, bukod sa feeling na parang malaya ka na. Syempre, alam mo yun,
full form.
Open ka rin sa lahat ng bagay. Parang, ganun pala yun, ganito pala. Kasi meron na po rin po kaming team. So parang nagsasabi sa amin, hindi, dapat ganito. May taga-correct na po sa amin. Hindi, dapat ganito gawin. So kami, tama. So bukod sa, alam mo po, nag-grow kami as artist.
Yeah, absolutely.
Sa business. Parang gano'n.
Of course, kahit ngayon, parang tinitingin din kami sa future. We want to nurture talents and that. So,
Yeah. For sure. We want you to do that too.
mahirap. Meron na kaming meeting na pinakamahabang meeting sa buong mundo.
Actually, meron po kaming isang buwan na puro meeting po. Kami po yung company na with the longest meeting in the world. Parang ganun.
Ken's like, yeah, it was really long.
Happy po kami.
Kaya kami. Wala po kami masabi.
Sobrang blooming niyo po, dahil po
Masaya
yan
po
sa
kami.
self-produce na po kasi siya.
Meron naman tayo mga Pilipino eh.
Kalayaan!
Okay, so since nag-comeback kayo, your song is really going viral on TikTok.
Yes.
Diba? And yung support ng K-pop artists, the other K-pop artists, sobrang talaga like, nakaka-over, for me, nakaka-overwhelm na halos lahat sila. They're
Totoo.
dancing to the song,
Totoo.
they're posting photos and videos of them jamming to the song. How does it feel?
Sobrang syempre, di ba? Parang yung movement talaga nagkakaroon ng unity.
Yeah,
Kaya lahat
it's really
sumasama
important.
dito sa ganito kahit, kumbaga, kasi nakita ko sila rin
Do you think K-pop became K-pop? I'm sorry for using this analogy, but do you think it became what it has because one artist did all the work? Absolutely not. It was a culmination of lots of different artists, lots of different individuals, also K-dramas. It was the whole wave of stuff that was happening. It was the food as well, okay? And tourism. It was everything. So it's important for everybody to be invested in the same thing, looking in the same direction. That is how this is going to work. Because then those people, those powers out there that are trying to bury P-pop for whatever reason, seriously, like I'm totally believing that that is what's happening. I'm sorry if that causes trouble, but I'm going to believe what I want to believe. But that is when you can no longer ignore it, right? Because the public will be like, hold on a second. Here's a whole country. Here's a whole load of artists that are amazing. Why is this being buried? And then it's unstoppable.
yung mga, isa sa mga nagsimula ng challenges. And parang nakaka-overwhelm na, syempre kami minsan hindi namin lahat nakikita yung bago, pero lahat sila parang try nila na gumawa lagi ng TikTok, minsan hindi lang isa. And syempre po natutuwa kami na nagkakaroon ng ganong, kumbaga, interaction with everyone.
Masaya. Well,
Parang ano po eh.
Hindi ko na ma-explain eh. Kasi bukod sa kanila, meron din kami mga idolo na talagang, yun nga, katulad na sinabi mo sila Chachi. Hindi ko po alam kung kilala niyo yun. Pero idolo po namin yun.
Kanina nga po si Sir Wawi de Guzman eh, meron siya.
Seryoso?
Si Sir Wawi de
Tingnan niyo po, sobrang nakakatawa lang.
Unexpected yung
And
mga-
kami po, pag naglalabas kami, hindi rin kami nag-expect na, alam niyo po yung malaki. Kasi parang
It's different to get it from your peers, isn't it?
expect na talagang lalaki para hindi rin madudurog yung puso namin, parang gano'n. Pero seeing na talagang namamayagpag yung gento, nagtitrend pa. Hanggang ngayon ba trend?
Oo, super.
Sobrang nakakatuwa. Yung excitement na ilabas yung buong pagtatag. Sobrang parang gusto na namin, ayan na, parang ganyan na lahat para...
Ayun po, Sir.
I'm sorry, what happened in Can't Tell moment right then? I missed it.
Okay. Go to the how you did the song, how you wrote the song. You wrote the song
Apo.
right? And you produced it with your brother at saka
Si Simon
Sir
Servida.
Ken, what are you doing?
How was the songwriting process like for you? Did you ask them? Did you ask everyone kung
For this one,
for Gento?
Opo, meron yan, may process po yun. Kuwari, let's say nakagawa ko, tapos madidinig nila, oy, mag-add ka ng ganito something, may madidinig ka mga comment. Siyempre, pinapakinggan.
I'll always take feedback on, yeah.
Most importantly, kailangan po laging yung kuwari, let's say, meron pong timbre kasi yung mga boses ng mga tao eh. And for me, eto, kaya ako ginagawang ganun kasi nakikita ko yung strength nila doon. Kaya ako po ginagawang ganun. And even Ken, kahit nasabihin ko na malalim na yung, malalim boses nito. Pero pag kinanta ni Ken, nagugulat ako kasi parang iba pa yung ginagawa niya eh. Nung ginawa
Yeah.
ko, parang ganun yung nai-imagine.
Yeah.
Nung ginawa niya, parang mas malalim pa pala. Mas
So much deeper, so much richer. I totally understand.
Pag pinakinggan ko yung demo na ginawa ko. So,
Ken, when he starts to sing something, he would just like wrap himself around it and not let go. Like, I can imagine what he's talking about. Like, specifically for ballads, I think that Ken will do stuff with his voice that it's not something that can be taught. That is just Ken's voice.
parang doon talaga masasabi na yung dynamics ng boses naming lima. Even Justin, yung pagsigaw niya na, ingay! Talagang pinupush ko siya. Nakakapagod po yun.
Kaya ako sa TikTok, pagkakagano ko.
Ingay! Ano po, sobrang na-proud po ako dito sa nagawa namin to. Kasi dito talaga makikita mo na talagang yung improvement ng bawat isa and yung
Hell yeah.
effort to do something na hindi sila komportable. So, ayun po, masaya po ako na ganito yung kinalabasan. And syempre, thank you rin kay Sir Simon kasi nung ginawa ko po to, hindi po siya beat. Ginawa ko siya chorus muna. Kasi may nadidinig ako na, parang ganon. Tapos ginawa ko yung chorus, tapos doon po kami nag-build ng mga, parang ginto, tunog ginto. So nag-incorporate kami ng mga pickaxe na tunog, mga metal, mining, mga bagsak ng lupa, boom!
Saan mo nadinig yung
Ayun, kaya po doon na-build yung ginto. Sobrang masaya.
yung
Imagination.
Hindi ko po alam parang siguro po, alam ko, hindi ko alam, baka mamaya sabihin ba? Pero isa po, meron certain lang yun. Pare, magkakape ka lang. Tapos may madidinig kang siren ng ng ambulansya. Parang may madidinig ka agad melody na pwede mong i-record agad sa phone mo tapos incorporate mo in the future sa mga songs mo. So, ganun po yung naramdaman ko sa Gento. And masaya po ako na talagang mamayagpag yung kanta.
And ano yung nafe-feel nyo kapag, dahil ganun yung songwriting process ni Pablo? Kapag,
Ako pa minsan natatakot na. Siyempre po, it's a creative.
Amaze, actually, opo. Kasi parang iniisip ko po, parang kung isipin niyo po, yung pagsulat ng kanta, parang baka medyo madali lang kasi sobrang daming gumagawa ng kanta. Pero pag you look deeper po na, imagine 5 po kami, iisipin mo yung timbre ng bawat isa, yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Kasi siya yung bibigay ng parts namin sa kanta. Parang yung 6 na kanta yung ginagawa mo, yung instruments na ilalagay. Parang nakaka-amaze siya na paano mo naiisip yun ng sabay-sabay, paano mo nai-imagine yun. Kumbaga, talagang mafe-feel mo yung hirap and yung parang kung gaano niya kagustong gawin or mabuo yung naiisip niya. So ayun po, talagang nakaka-amaze and nakaka-inspire din na parang gusto ko rin gumawa ng something like that. Ayun.
Tsaka hindi po for himself. Kumbaga para sa group talaga yung... Kaya po parang doble po yun. Iba talaga. Ibang kalibre.
Ang gusto ko lang din i-share kasi syempre pag gumagawa ka ng kanta, 5 yung kagrupo mo eh. Ay, 5.
4 lang kami.
Parang yun nga po nakwento ko na parang...
Stella's just too quick. Nothing passes him.
Ang bland talaga. Kasi naiirita na rin ako sa boses ko. Pero pag nadinig ko talaga na nagsasama sa...
I just want to say, you think that, and I understand where you're going with this comment, but you think that. I love listening to a song that's just Pablo, but I know where this is going.
Yung dynamics po talaga namin. Iba.
Yeah.
Bakit ganito? Pag ako lang kumakantangit. Pero...
Rubbish.
Na sa amin, parang yun talaga nakikita yung...
It's because what you're putting together is meant for the group.
Hindi mo masasabi na mas magaling yung isa sa isa eh. Kasi everyone has their own
100%.
pagdating. Yung kay Ken, hindi ko makaya gawin yun. Yung kay Josh, hindi ko makaya gawin yung ganung boses. Yung kay Stel, kakaiba to. Kahit na pag sumasayaw, yung adlib, ako po hindi ko kaya yun eh. Kore, kumakanta ka ng nag-a-adlib ka, tapos sumasayaw ng napakataas. Napakahirap po nun. Tapos, si Justin, mabait yung boses. Madidinig mo,
Ganda mo ng boses.
Nangingay mo ang ingay sa TikTok. Ang ingay sa TikTok kasi nag-iingay. Lagi mo madidinig, kakanta-scroll mo. So, I'm very proud na kaya po namin gawin yung mga ganong bagay. And yung mga... Basta, alam nyo na yan. Ayun po.
at this point, you're 4 years in. Doesn't it get boring or tiring?
What?
Tiring pero boring.
Boring hindi.
You wouldn't be doing it if they were finding it boring.
Maging boring.
Actually, ang boring nga na ang boring. Ang boring na
pag walang ginagawa, pag walang nangyayari, walang ganun.
Don't get Stella started, please.
Pero for now, very exciting yung mga nangyayari ngayon. Very exciting yung mga ginagawa namin. Okay, ikaw na naman.
And siguro po sa team, kasi diba yun nga po, meron na kami sarili team. Nakakatuwa kasi yung facing ng paggawa namin ng music and yung contents namin, dati, before, medyo mabagal. Hopefully, since meron na nga kaming team na sarili namin, mas mapapabilis. Kasi nagre-reklamo na kami dati na, perform na naman natin yung same song. Gusto namin na bago naman yung ma-perform namin. So, yun, siguro pwedeng mag-abang yung mga tao na mas rapid yun. Sunod-sunod yung...
Okay, so that's really interesting because I wasn't around for when they were doing stuff before, and I will definitely say there's a lot of content, there's a lot of performing, there's lots of changing things up. They're always collaborating with some like company, like there's a new song coming out for this, it's Christmas, it's Easter, I don't know, like there's all sorts of events and stuff going on. So for me, it has been non-stop, even with whatever happened last year, and we got a little bit of a lull, and I felt like I felt that they drew it back a little bit. But it's back now. It's back to full throttle, and we just get content left, right, and center all over the place. Like, I feel like apart from my daily job, apart from the stuff that I have to do in order to be a living, breathing human, I also have to like check all my apps to see what SB19 are up to.
Yung mga contents namin ngayon, mas mabilis namin maipapakita kung ano yung mga bago na handa namin, yung mga ganung bagay.
That's what they're doing with their vlogs.
What
Like,
is something
they
na
literally hit
hindi
us
naman
quite
ginawa
quickly.
Sa pagtatag.
Sa pagtarig ng truck.
Ay, isa yun.
Yung isang truck.
Kahit sa promotions.
Sa pagtatag.
Ito po. Nag-green na tayo dati, hindi pa, no? Yun.
Guerrilla lang
Una
dati.
po yan.
Guerrilla marketing. Even yung concept yung genre, R&B.
R&B,
May R&B kami for this EP na medyo mahirap ang hugot na hindi mo alam kung saan. Kasi nung mga previous namin, parang lagi kami
Yeah.
parang gagira kami lagi.
Yung R&B kasi na sinasabi mo, mature kasi yung hugot ng talaga. Mature eh. Kaya super challenging siya for
Even the dance.
Oh,
Even the dance.
yung actually nga marami kayong pinagdaanan for this EP. Maraming adjustment, maraming new learnings, marami pong nangyari talaga. Na makikita nyo sa pagbabalik na. Nakikita nyo po sa mga video releases po namin. Siyempre may mga content kami.
I-mention yung love song kasi parang super tagal na nung last na love song natin.
Ako wala pa nga kami love song.
Actually yung love song po namin.
Broken yung mga earlier songs natin about love.
Yung love songs namin ngayon, yung mga hidden gems namin. Hidden gems namin for this EP po.
They're amazing.
Siguro yung mga fans kung bakit wala kami love song lagi. Pero kasi po ako, actually madami na kasing love song sa Filipino industry.
Yeah, that is true.
Sa ibang mundo maraming love song. Siguro mas naghumuhugot ako dun sa story namin, sa experiences namin.
But I really like that.
Love song. Pero for this EP,
And actually, I've spoken about this prior to this when I was like in the K-pop world. I felt like I asked that question a lot. Like, is there a subject other than love that we can sing about, that I can hear about? Because there's so many other relationships, not just those relationships. There's friendships, there's family, there's parents, there's pets, there's everyday life, there's mental health. There's so many things that we could talk about, and yet for some reason the world always wants to hear about love, and I just feel like that's what drives us all. There's nothing wrong with that, but for me it's quite refreshing to hear about other subjects as well.
yan, meron po. Yan, magugustuhan
And I hear that a lot from SB19.
Talaga.
All right, Kentel,
Talaga. Parang
stop honeymooning.
Kung bakit niyo today na-release yung manifesto at bakit kayo nag-release ng manifesto?
Trip lang.
Bakit may
Just for fun.
Hindi kasi may makapal eh. Siyempre may
manifesto. Well, siguro kasi po sa mga previous albums namin, meron kaming mga notes doon, kumbaga, na parang si Justin, maraming salamat, parang ganon. Pero this time we made it as one, na parang ano yung gustong sabihin natin as a group, or ano yung gusto sabihin ng buong team natin para maipahayag natin ng mas malakas yung gusto natin ipahayag dun sa pagtatag-ip. Kaya gumawa kami ng manifesto. Ito yung promise namin na gagawin namin, and hopefully na dun sa gagawin namin talagang ma-inspire at ma-motivate yung mga tao na sumunod or mas maging matatag or mas maging gawin pa yung gusto nilang gawin sa buhay. So ayun po, kaya naging manifesto yung ginawa.
I guess better late than never. I enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for sharing this with me. And yeah, I wish they would have just talked a little bit more about the process of like putting songs together and albums together. And it was nice to hear from all of the members, because obviously we're going to get there with Stell, but all of the other members have done that. They've written their own lyrics. They've almost all of them produced their own song and released it, so they kind of know that process. I guess Pablo has the most experience in that area, and then Ken, but we're getting there with the members. So I wanted to hear a little bit more in that area. Like, how do you feel about this process? Like, how do you see Pablo leading the music? And yeah, perhaps in other interviews, but it was interesting for them to talk about Gento specifically, obviously because at this point that is the only song that had been released, because I think I've heard more about the EP as a whole across lots of different interviews and things, so that was interesting. And yeah, you can see the slight nerves there, but they're also eager and excited to share the whole thing, and they're very proud of everything that they've gone through to get to this point as well. And Stell made an interesting point that they've had to work a lot on getting this EP out there, and yeah, it just takes me back to thinking about I Want You and how different that was for SB19, and this kind of mature concept, the choreography. They weren't always like this, were they? And I have to remind myself that it's not been that long since they've been going around performing this song like this and being sexy, although like I feel like they're always like, I don't know, flaunting themselves in front of my face like day after day, but actually they haven't been doing this for that long. So it's interesting how quickly they've grasped that, and they've not let it go, and it's not become crass or it's not become cringe or anything. Not that our boys are capable of that, but they've not gone too sexy to the point where they've alienated their target audiences, but just enough to make you like want more, but you just know they're not going to do it, not yet. I loved it. Really great to hear from them. And that's it. That's everything that I've included in this video. Thank you so much. If one of your recommendations made it into this video, thank you for sharing this with me. Do talk to me about the stuff that I've included in this. Can't wait to hear what you have to say. And I have, shall I say it? Because it's not true, officially run out of SB19 things to watch. So if you're helping me, then please do so in the comments below as well. But I say officially, it's not official. There's a ton of stuff in my Watch Later playlist. I just haven't had the time to put it together. I need to get to work. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun. And until I see you next time, take care. Stay safe. Bye.